Good evening, everybody. I just want to do a quick video of appreciation to a brother, a friend. We, I don't know, for a very long time, almost like 20, 21, 22 years now. I don't know, Shade Jajawi. I want to say thank you. Thank you because it's much easier as a brother or a friend for me as the first lady of Sierra Leone for pick me phone and call anybody in this country and ask say, I want this, I want that, I want that. And not say if I don't get them all safe, there's a possibility I will get some. But from day one, where I don't begin for work with AfriCell, me and you, we get a clear understanding. And that understanding is, let us just work and see what we can do for transform Sierra Leone together as a brother and sister and as a first lady and a corporate entity. So I'm so happy when we go for do the hands of our girl na Kenima, you ask say, you say the people in Kenema they really like me and blah blah blah. I tell you say no, not to me Kenema like Kenema actually in a Marabio then like, and because they like Marabio, then they extend our love day to anybody where they know say they around Marabio. And we have an agreement say, this year the one thing that you will do on my behalf is to make sure say we get a clock tower in Kenema. And I was so thrilled. But you know me, I don't like for the go and make the noise until I don't sure say yes. We don't get them. And with the Kenema clock tower, I really not be want make too much noise about them, knowing full well say I've been getting Kono clock tower for deal with first. So I've been just want to keep them under the wrap and make sure say we don't bill and done. Then we can able say, hey, listen, we don't do this together and we are going to Kono and we're going to do Kono in Yon. So I want to say thank you, because when somebody believe in your agenda, when somebody believe in what you want and what you want to do and come help you for achieve that one day, then you get to tell the person thank you. So I want to say thank you to Shade, thank you to AfriCell that I present to una a vision and an idea and una see and fit say yes, this is a vision and an idea we una go on for be part of. Thank you for Kono. And make I begin for say thank you in advance to Yuna again for thank you for Kenema. Let I begin for say thank you in advance for Kono, because again Kono not to you one, I tell go thank you the clock itself. We I know they disclose Kono in secret altogether, but the clock for Kono Clock Tower, I believe they get for be one of the best. We don't put them up. But then, I want to say thank you to His Excellency, because when I go meet His Excellency, I tell and say, I want to go do something at Kono regarding the clock tower. And this is what and what we want. His Excellency facilitate. Follow we get the clock we need, which is one of the most sophisticated clocks then, where we get for put in the Kono clock tower. And AfriCell, una don't say una will help me with the structure of the tower. And I want to say thank you to Babadi Kamara also. We don't say they will help me. And I really want to say thank you also to the mayor, because the mayor of Kono, we all know a young guy, we get a vision. The idea of building the clock tower, now the mayor in idea say we need a clock tower in Kono, and where it don't present unto me, we do with first fundraising. We don't do with first fundraising on that one day, but then prices then don't change, things then don't change. So we need help and we need to upgrade from waiting we been want originally to a more befitting. I should put, this one, a more befitting clock tower for Kono. So we don't come up with a proper arrangement where we don't go do them again. And the reason why I just talk in advance, because sometimes, it is nice for just give credit to people then when somebody do something good. It is nice. Ask the first lady of this country. I believe say Akia will call person and say, hey, give me this, give me that, give me this. Um, it's they might not give me all, but then go give me some. But I don't always say this. For any company, I don't get nothing against any company in this country. Any company where one buy clothes and shoes for me, any company where one buy makeup and anything for me, a handbag or anything where woman them we all can cherish. Any company where one do them thing and for me as the first lady, channel them into we development drive them. Channel them on things that we go make we country we succeed. So I dey work with any company because as the first lady, me job na for able for bring calm things that we go facilitate government in priorities them, things that we go able for make somebody want do something good. If they don't know who side for start, how for start if they come to me, if I know the way, I go seek advice. If I seek advice and we feel say these are things that we need, then I will help you for let you go start somewhere. So I just want for make them clear, say I am very honored that when I asked Africell about a clock tower in Kenema, they honor that request. So thank you, Africell. Thank you for honoring your corporate responsibility to this country. I am open to work with any company where want for work with me. My personal relationship with Shade as a person, nothing on the change on that one day. But I'm so happy when I ask, the time where I ask for the clock tower and the time where Corona came, it's almost in between, the time was so short. But even with all the coronavirus and all the stresses of the coronavirus, Africell, you still deliver. Una no make a shame na Kenema. I want to say thank you very much. I did look forward for going into Kono and then do the same there. All the people that will go help me for make sure say we build the clock tower na Kono. We go celebrate them again. We go tell them thank you. Me na first lady, yes. But it no means say I have a prescribed budget where lead on some side where I go just grab no more. I go take them. I go use them. Unfortunately, me not fortunate for be that first lady yet. I not get a budget well done. Whatever budget we approve on me programs then they go to the program. So I not get the money where I will say now this now the money where I for the take and go do this. Now good people them I they talk to, now good people them I they ask. And if I ask then agree for doing for me, I will still come and appreciate them because when person do good, appreciate them. So, Africell no sit down no more than say they want go build clock tower na Kenema. Now somebody go meet them. And that person then na me. Now me go meet them and say we want clock tower na Kenema. Africell don't deny all these years. But now somebody, everything, even when you want go heaven, now say you the pass. You get for do things the way God say you for do, for let you go enter inside heaven. So let us give credit to where credits are due. I really go appreciate that one day for this country. It bring me back to the discussion where I get with one of my journalist cousin in Gambia, where they ask me say, me wedding money, the money where we spend per wedding, if me no go use that money day, I go put lights na bow and Kenema. That's a strange question for a journalist. If you're a professional journalist, they ask such a silly question to the first lady. The first lady in job, not to forgo put light na Kenema or bow. Now make we get the Ministry of Energy. The Ministry of Energy in job. Now for make sure say lights there na this country. Now that make them get a Minister of Energy. The Minister of Energy is not the first lady. So when people then take that one day out of context and say me not go use me money. Yes, I say I not go use me wedding money. Wedding money, now how much me wedding cost? People that will know about that wedding day, people that will attend that wedding day, and people will be there right in the middle of that wedding day. It's strange for a journalist who calling himself a journalist go ask such a question. Now, a question where I want to ask. when corona don't come, okay, me I know say it is difficult for let people then appreciate or certain quarters then for let them appreciate what thing they do. But I want to just bring them attention back to the sub-region, this one, between Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone, from where Corona came. Now, which first lady, now these two countries to Sierra Leone, we make and the third country, which first lady thinks for feeding people then? Which first lady go out of in way for make sure say in people them, he feed them? Or look after the poor, or try for go look after the poor. They say yes, we're not for praise we self, but what person do good? But if you know able to talk good about Tambo, not fabricate thing them about Tambo. Me, I try my best. Every first lady gets in your agenda. Every first lady gets in program from day one. The program when me come with, now for fet for them picking them and then woman them. Now that na me program. Because this na program where I don't begin from where I small. Anybody where sabi me all throughout these years, you know, before I be first lady. Now this I don't fight for. Gender equality. Gender equality not to build house. Gender equality not to for build factory. Gender equality or fighting for the children, you don't do all of that. You change the mindset of the people. You educate the people. You talk to the people and make them understand why waiting they happen is wrong. That is what I am fighting. I don't been telling anybody say where I come here for can be first lady and they go build skyscraper. No. But if along the line I get good people that way want for can build skyscraper in this country, instead of them give me that money they keep unto myself. Yes, I go bring them back and make sure say we build them in this country here. We do them in this country. When people they accuse me about motorcar, let me make them clear again to una. No. And what here they talk, the reason why I come on social media, because here, you know, this is where certain people then they instead of them educate with people then they not go do that one day, but they will continue for mislead and misinform with people then. Me na the only first lady. Now the third year in governance, me Monday, as the president of Sierra Leone, I not get official car. So whether they talk say again motorcar, or then give me customized motorcar, or then give me a what is it? Well, Papa government are they big now? Ask the first lady of Sierra Leone. Una cover me shame, la una give me motorcar where are they call say this is the first lady in motorcar because I not get them. Nobody not give me. And where are they talking? So are they talking with open pride and not say are they serve with the little that is given to me? Are they serve with the little that is provided for me? So please, when person do good, you know, even God, he say if you praise me and you ask, I will bless you more. But ebo, na this country, anything where you do na crime, anything where you do a bad. So I they begin for talk and one time or waiting make la talk about the corner one time because I know say go corner, they will come out na corner, then go say no, the first lady not to do am. So now that I begin the talk and one time, so that by the time they go na corner, it will be old story, we not go come back to Ram, we not go talk about her. Me not they talk say if I have money, I will not invest it in this country. Waiting at the say is no journalist in their right mind not go ask me a silly question say why not use your money and put lights in a whole district? How much money it cost for put lights in a Kenema? How many millions of dollars will it cost to put a light in a Kenema and Bo? Do I have those millions of dollars? I don't. Donald Trump, when the one of the richest man within America, from where Corona starts, who saw see Donald Trump give us in one bag receive? Donald Trump. When I mean, because the reason why they say Donald Trump, not to them feel like Trump is the way they give out. Would that they inside government? Donald Trump now president of America. Now waiting Donald Trump give to anybody in America. How many homeless people that we see they sleep in them park in America where Corona starts? How many people become homeless? Why Donald Trump not go because he gets all their money then at the wall? Why not go build house for them all? So don't be realistic with one another sometimes. Don't be realistic with something. When person do something, make you know, if you're not able to appreciate them, no go and say stuff. And also, make I bring to you to una attention. Within the sub-region, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Ghana, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea Conakry, and Ivory Coast, where they part of the Mano River. From where Corona start, I am the only first lady where remain in country. The only first lady where remain in country, where stay in country, where no move out, where no run away. I stayed with my people. I stayed with my people because I believe, say, I am here for a purpose. Not where trouble come, I will run. Where sweets come, I run, come back. No, I not do that one day. I not there for talk about my colleagues them. I not there for say anything bad about my colleagues them. But I stayed with my people. I stayed in Sierra Leone. And I still there. Now, when I go check na the sub-region, which one of them they around? None. I know because now me collect them. So please, give me a little credit. If you know you will give me credit, no fabricate story for me, but me na beg at the beg una. Me self na human being. And human being, we all na the same heart we get. Heart no get bone, we all na the same heart we get. I don't want for the kind of social media for the car address certain issues them. I don't want for the do that they at all. But sometimes when you see something about yourself and you know say this waiting and this is so not true, it's painful. It's really painful. Now let us swap position. If me day on the other side, now you sit down, me sit down. Every day we awake, now something I will say about you. Every day we awake, everything what I talk about you is negative. Even when you are killing yourself out of your way with the little that you have, the scrape where you scrape every day for make sure say you meet other people their expectation, and then all you get is you are this, you are that. It's not fair. The people that I paid their hospital bills, you don't know how I find and how I do that. The people that I paid their university fees, you don't know how I manage and how I make that happen. The people where I pay for their weddings, them for their funerals, them you don't know how. When I wake up in the morning, I think about every day, who am I going to meet in that office? And again, they say I don't go, Nami go, I take office. I take office as the first lady because I needed to be near the people. Not to all man get access for go meet me man. But when certain people then come to me and then come with them problems then, if I hear it, I go present them to my husband. I go present them to my husband. For example, when I go Port Loko, during the Hands of Our Girl campaign, when I go Port Loko, the paramount chiefs then confront me and they explain to me, say, look, madam, would they give you land? Would they give you a free land? Let this government here help we know we get school for we girl picking them. Because the reason why we girl picking them at Port Loko, then they get belly. The reason why we girl picking them the struggle, we see them done JSS 3. They don't get any side for go do higher studies. Then they move come na Waterloo or come inside Freetown, then they come under them family them, they know they get nobody for supervise them. So please, help we talk to you man, make them help we know we get girls school na this district. Today, we have a girls school in Port Loko. Today, we are proud for say, yes, would they go open a girls school? Do I have to take credit for that? No. But if I not been listening to them people then they then concerned, if they not been tell me say Port Loko no get girls school at all, would I be for bring that information there to His Excellency the President? Nobody. Because nobody no go imagine say in this world where we did, a whole district like Port Loko, they not get a girls school. Even me in my wildest dream, I not been believe at first. But when they give me that information, I can't give. Now the office where I did, now me man in house. Now in house, this is a house where it gets anybody where be sabi the day of the election, the day where they make the where them for announce the result of the election. This now the place where them in can surround that. The side where I been take, where they take I they pay, not a government pay for me. I pay the first year, I pay the second year. Where I don't get money for pay the third year. I move, I tell my man say I go na your house. Since na you are the help, I go there na your house. Na your house are they. Na they are the manage. I no go force government say no, because I am the first lady, you have to pay my rent. I no go write to anybody say, because I am the first lady, you need to come and do this for me. No, I did not. I find a way for solve the problem. We no go bring embarrassment to anybody. We no go bring any hassle to anybody. So me na beg at the beg, una all, do ya? Not all thing where them they say na Fatima do, read na me do am. Most of the things then, na reader the read am, like how una said they see na social media, na so are the reader. But this country are waiting on left now. Anything will happen at this country, then they say na me Fatima. I must get bad luck. For say everything where they go wrong in this country and me, then I don't know, but I believe say God said what they serve is a living God. He will fight me a battle. So please, Lord, we praise Africell, Lord, we thank them. But Lord, we also know say Africell no grab no more go build a clock tower. Now somebody approach them, and that person then na me. And na me back to approach them back say, how far we don't go with the clock tower, let them can help we. Lord, we don't know. We do one because Africell get the experts them. We go make sure say the kind of details where I want for do, they able provide them for me. They able make them happen. So I appreciate them. I appreciate Shade as my brother. Nothing no they change. I they continue for work with them. Any company where want work with me, inshallah. If you come to me for Lord we work for develop this country, I will work with you. But if you come to me for any other thing outside development, I'm sorry, I am not the right person to come to. You can go to ministries and go to other people. But my office, before you take and put on a briefcase, you can't take and give me. Put on a briefcase, Lord, we go develop something. You bring the project, we will go and I'll champion it with you, and then we develop them and make sure say the people that make them benefit out of them. So I want to say thank you again to Africell. And I look forward to all the things that we don't plan. You have my plan. When I know, you know exactly all the things that way I don't say I want to achieve before the end of 2021. And I continue for plea to una say I am going to work with you, and I'll continue to work with you as long as it's in the interest of the people and it will make this country develop. I will work with you. Thank you so very much, everyone. Have a blessed Monday. The day don't done a year already, but you know, let your week be blessed, and I look forward to chatting with you people when not for come address social media issues. Let us address proper issues like our hospitals. When I go give medicine in a hospital, even when I dey in opposition, every single, at least 80% of government hospitals in this country then benefit from me donations then. Where are they in opposition? Now, I forbid the Minister of Health for go donate in a hospital. So all the first ladies that we can go donate in their hospitals then a Minister of Health? Why is it that if Fatima go in a hospital, so me a Minister of Health? No, me not a Minister of Health. The Minister of Health is there. If anybody can give me medicines then, where I don't call the pharmacy board, then don't come, then check them, then make sure say all the medicine then they don't know the way expire, and we people they need them medicine then I will accept it and I will take it to our people and I will give it to them free of charge. I'm not a charge for nothing. I will provide the service and make sure say the medicine they reach directly to the people, because they're not giving medicine say go give to the Ministry of Health. They say take the medicine, give it to the people. And they take the medicine as long as it has been certified by the pharmacy board, and they take the medicine and go give directly to the people. It is for the people, and I'll make sure the people get it. That's what I do. I'm not there for take anybody in job, but what I do, I make sure say it is much easier. If you give me, say for the people, I take it straight to the people. I know they go through no channel, no direction, because you know, then long tape what is if you're email corruption no they don't in a country. You give me, why they go to third party, fourth party, fifth party? Like just take them straight to the people. And the hospital where see them don't receive her now, then get medicine for them patients then. Who am I to keep those medicines? So I beg, Lord, they chill small, I beg. Let God bless you all, yeah?